Welcome to today's edition of the Community Showcase, today featuring Chris Sabin and Alex Shelley, the Motor City Machine Guns. Chris Sabin was created by Shattered and Codes, with Alex Shelley created by Shattered, Codes and Nickbreaker UK. Both come with 4 retires, so check out the link in the description for screenshots and download details.
The following tag team contest is scheduled for one fall. On the way to the ring, Chris J. Ben and Alex Shaolin.
So our first competitors are in the ring and ready to start things off in this tag team match. Oh, folded in half.
That type of speed is so hard to contain. Oh my God, an enziguri, a head kick. Oh, what an elbow.
This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages in over 110 countries.
And that's a stiff kick. Just a fantastic suplex. Oh no! It looked like his head just bounced off that concrete. Watch it!
Skinner, great move. Skinner.
Oh, big time move by Skinner.
Hooks the leg. 2. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
He makes the tag. A shining example of teamwork as they hit the double team.
And he finally gets out of the ring. And Xavier nails it.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
And Xavier nails it.
He's got him. A sharp kick. Here comes the body splash. Hey, he's going for it again. Xavier with a huge move.
These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook.
Oh, there's more in their arsenal. I promise you that.
And Xavier nails it. Into the cover, hooks the leg. 1, 2. That wasn't very accurate.
This has been a war. And can you believe that impact?
Skinner. Skinner. Great move.
Not this.
He's looking at it again.
Good grief. We got to cover.
1, 2.